because that is a place where they cut a bunch of trees down and have replanted, and wilderness has taken over. I feel like I hit it.
Back up. Yeah, you did. Stand behind Cedar Tree.
That's a Cedar Tree with that, though.
No.
So here's just a little trail tip. Something that I do. It's okay if you don't want to, if you don't like to, but your mirrors, if you've got power mirrors, point them back at your back tires. So whenever you're going over an obstacle, you can kind of see when your tire arrives, or if you've got something pressed against your sidewall. So yeah, use your mirrors. They're not just for what's behind you, it's also what's around you.